Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com, and we're making a video for Expert Village today. We're crocheting wire to make a Christmas bracelet, and this is what we've gotten so far. We've just added our little light bulb dangle at the bottom, and now we're going to add some other beads to add some color. You can choose whatever colors that you would like. Round faceted beads that I've just gotten at Walmart. And we're just going to do a lot of different colors on this bracelet. This one's an orange one. You just decide where you're going to place it, where you think it will look good. Put the wire through, and one time through, and that's all you need. And we're going to put another one over here. This time we're going to go with a light green one. And these are going to be our Christmas bulbs. Anytime you get to the end of your wire, all you have to do is weave it in and out of the bracelet and just fold the end over so that it doesn't stick out, and then just start a new piece of wire. And that's how you attach the other beads.